Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the Frosty talk animations effect. Adorable animations where your photo talks side by side with a cute friendly snowman. It's perfect for festive video, reels, or maybe holiday greetings. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your PixVerse. You can use it directly on the websites or download the PixVerse app from the Play Store. And then next, just go ahead and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give you free daily credits so you can generate animations without paying anything. And then next, just go to template sections. When you're in, just go to template section, this one, just tap on it. And then just go to tab that called made by CPP, this one, just tap on it. And then over here just search for the filter or the effect that called the friendly snowman, this one, just tap on it. And then just tap on use template. And then next, just upload the photo that you want to animate or that you want to transform. Make sure your face is clear for the best result. For example like this. And when you're done, just tap on create, this one. It will take 30 credits. Just tap on it. And then just go back and then go to mine and then wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this, in just a few moments, your video is ready with your friendly snowman's appears on your video. I think it's so cute. And okay, that's it. You have just created a Frosty talk animations effect in just a few simple steps. It's fun, easy, and perfect for Christmas posts or maybe creative fonts edits. And okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.